Welcome to this video on the HPRCA, Himachal Pradesh Rajya Chayan Ayog, recruitment for 2026. The job details we will be covering focus on the Pharmacist Allopathy job trainee position. The selection process includes a computer-based or written screening test of 120 marks. Minimum qualifying marks are 45% for general and 40% for SC, ST, OBC, WFF. This is followed by document verification. To be eligible, candidates must have completed 10+2 in science and hold a degree or diploma in pharmacy. The age limit for this recruitment is 18 to 45 years and may vary post-wise. Please read the official notification for details on age relaxation. The exam fee is 800 rupees per for all categories, including General, OBC, EWS, and SCSTPWD. There are a total of 41 posts available for this recruitment. The application process starts on April 28, 2026, and the last date to apply is May 20th, 2026. For more updates, subscribe to or follow the channel. You can find the application link in the description.